So import the image into Photoshop, and then you go all the way down to where you have your fill and adjustment layer, and then you click hue and saturation. Next up, I'm going to come to where I have master and take it all, and then I'm going to select the yellows option. Now why I did that is because yellow is the predominant color on this image. All right, so I'm going to now adjust the hue slider. So as you see that as I adjust it, the color changes. Okay, it's pretty simple and pretty cool. In the second method, all I need to do is to come to where I have this hand icon right here, click it, and take the eyedropper tool and pick or point to the exact color I want to change, and then I come back to my hue slider right here and just adjust it. Simple. So as you can see that as I adjust the hue slider, the color also changes. Okay, let's say you want to change the color to something like a black. All you need to do is to come to where you have the saturation right here and turn it all the way down to the very end, and then you come to where you have the lightness and then take it all the way down as well. So as you can see, the color is now black. Now if I want to make it pure white, all I need to do is to take the lightness slider to the opposite direction, like so, something like this. So as you can see right here, the further the slider goes, the image now becomes, the shot now becomes white.